Can I get this watercolor painting to show up on every background color? Let's see. Hello! Have you finished your art and finished editing it and are trying to upload it to Merch by Amazon, Redbubble or other print-on-demand sites and realize it blends into the different colored products? Happens to me all the time. When I'm painting something like this, I just don't remember to think about how it's going to look on different colored backgrounds while making the art. I've edited the scanned painting, so now let's try to upload it to Merch by Amazon. I'll use the t-shirt template to shrink it down to the right size and let's upload it as a standard t-shirt, which I think is the product that sells the most on Merch by Amazon. Looking at it on different colored t-shirts, the beaks of the parrots seem to blend into the darker shirts. The heart blends into the red shirts and so on. Here's what I usually do. I go back to GIMP where I've edited the artwork and add a white outline. It doesn't have to be white, but in this case white is a contrasting color, so that's what I'll use. I take the Select by Color tool and click on the transparent background to select all transparent areas, go to Select Invert to invert the selection to the painting, and then to Select Grow to grow the selection by 20 or 30 pixels, for example. You can try different sizes to find what looks best for you. Then I add a new layer and select it. Check that you have the outline color you want in the color picker and fill the selection by going to Edit, Fill with Foreground color, and then move the new layer underneath your design layer. And you have an outline. Let's upload this version, export it as a PNG file to Merch by Amazon to check how it looks on different colors. So now it shows better on the darker colors too, but you can't select all colors because Merch by Amazon limits the number of t-shirt colors you can use for one design. You can either choose the ones you think look the best or ones you think will sell the most. In my experience, black t-shirts sell the most. I've also sold a few blue shirts like navy, heather blue and royal blue and also pink. But you could also make two versions of the design. I'll show you by adding text to this design. I know Valentine's Day is gone by the time this video goes up, but I had made this base for my Valentine's Day design, so I'll use that. There's two versions, white text and black text. I'll use the white text version on dark t-shirt colors and the black text on light colors. I realized the base already had a heart and now there's a double heart. So I got rid of the second heart before actually uploading these. What do you think? Did the outline make this work on every background color? For more print-on-demand tips, watch this next. Thanks for watching.